Welcome to Kennel. Kennel is a tool to manage your data configuration as code. That means your monitors, SLO, dashboards have a full history, and you can reuse them between different teams and between different projects. And you also have PR review and can search them. I'm Michael Grosser. I work at Zendesk, and my job is to build tools for other teams. We built Kennel so we can have a reusable way of sharing our monitors and dashboards. So if a single team already figured something out, they can share it with other teams, and it's also easy to move things between different teams. We want changes to our monitoring to be auditable, so we can find out during an incident why a certain monitor was changed, what its last value was, what the history of the configuration is, and all these things. During updates, we also want to see diff of what we're doing. For example, if you change a monitor that's used by many projects, it's nice to see that how is it impacting these different teams. And we also wanted a tool to automate importing things that are created via the UI. So in Kennel, for example, you can build something in the UI if you don't want to write code, and then import it, and it will just work. An update in Kennel looks something like this. You tell Kennel to plan your change. It will look at the Datadog API, compare to what you have locally, and then say, oh, I'm creating this, I'm updating this, and I'm deleting that. A project in Kennel is how most code is organized. A project usually reflects a certain service. The project comes with tags. These tags are applied to all the monitors in that project. A project belongs to a team. This way, a project can have notification channels like Slack or PagerDuty or email or whatever you have configured. And then the project gets assigned monitors, dashboards, SLOs as you see fit. And the nice thing is here, these are all reused. For example, we have a monitor that says, I want to be alerted on not ready pods for my project. The project is passed in as self, and if not ready pods are found, the team that this project belongs to is alerted. Another monitor is the CPU over requests monitor. This monitor will alert when, for example, auto-scaling didn't work or the project is unavailable. Kennel is designed to be interoperable with other tools and with other teams. So you can use Kennel as or for your own team or for your own project and don't have to like boil the ocean. You don't have to convince everybody in your company to use it. You can try it out, and if you don't like it, you can move back and you still have all your configuration. And it also is interoperable with other tools. The usual flow in Kennel is that you first import or create a new monitor, then you run an update to apply that configuration you just created, see what it does, and you can review it. Then you make PR. Reviewers will be able to see what exactly you're doing, like what kind of resource you're creating and how it's configured. And then when you merge, your CI system will apply that change to Datadog, and then your changes land. Kennel is built in Ruby that allows you to change the underlying framework to do your custom logic. For example, here we have a policy that says, if you send something to PagerDuty, we always add the pager icon to the name. So whoever sees this monitor going off knows, oh, someone's getting called right now, this must be important. Then we also say, if you have a PagerDuty monitor, but you don't have a runbook, we don't allow this monitor to be created. So that means our on-call team knows that each page they're getting will have a runbook and they know what to do. Kennel is used to reuse code between project and teams. You also get, you can also, of course, check in this code. So you get auditing, history, and review. And you inherit tags from projects. So all your monitors are tagged the same way. It's easy to find them. And it's also easy to find all the tags for your team. And if you move a project to a new team, all the escalation changes. It can be used to enforce global policies. So you say all monitors need to be a certain way, all SLOs, all widgets need to be a certain way. And in the repo, there's a template repository where you can start it with, and like play around, create a few monitors, and see how they work out. Thank you.